Hello everyone, in this video we'll just implement search box. Okay, whenever we search something here, so it will just select that row for us like this. Okay, for example, I am searching the ID number 1001. Press enter. See that record has highlighted for us. Okay, just that one. Like if you enter a name, let's select for example Kalim. Press enter. See those lines are highlighted for us. Okay, just those lines. So we can search based on ID, name, product, department, whatever you want. Okay, so you can search based on that. So let's get started to implement this functionality. So first of all, we will just select our data. Okay, this is our data. Press Control Shift and right arrow, so it came to the end of this column. Okay, then Control Shift down arrow, so it will select the whole data. So after selecting the whole data, just come here to the conditional formatting. After pressing conditional formatting, come here to the new role, press this. After that, come here down to the use a formula to determine which cells to format. Okay, press on this. Then here now we will write our formula. So for that, let's write first of all equal to, then search, equal to search, open the bracket, and after that in which cell you want to write your searchable data. Okay, we want to search in this cell, so select this one. After this, press comma, then just we will just select the columns now. Okay, we want to select these datas. Okay, these are under from this our top row. Okay, down these data. First of all, we will press this ID. Okay, we want to search based on ID. So this is, we want to make it a fixed reference. Okay, so for that we need to press F4. Press F4, again F4. Whenever the dollar sign come here to the front of the cell reference, okay, A4, the dollar sign became A4. This is A4 cell, and the dollar sign came before that. Then write end. Okay, the end sign. After that, another cell that you want to search based on that. For example, name. Select name. Again, press F4. F4. Again, press end sign. Again we want to search based on product. Select this one. Again F4, F4, the dollar sign came before that. So we want to search based on these three columns. Okay, and close the bracket. And also if you want to format the cells, okay, the data that you found, to format that record, come here to the format, and we want to assign to that fill that like this. Okay, the font should be like we can bold, that would be bold, and press OK. Okay, see that has became a red. And now let's search something. Okay, let's enter the name of computer. Press enter. See, just the computer cells are highlighted for us. Okay, these are the computer cells. If we remove all the things, so it means right now we don't have anything, so it selected all rows for us. But whenever we search something like write Salim, press enter. See, just the Salim rows records as selected for us. These are okay. So it was all about to create a search box, and you can format the format and the design that depend on you. So I just showed you the formula how to do it and to create a search box in Excel. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.